guys, welcome to the crushing station. Today, me and my brother are crushing stones using a hammer. Go, smack it.
That's how the work works.
Okay. By the way, if you don't know my name is Marco.
My name's Joseph.
And our username in Roblox is Dudon1029, and that's my username. And Nate1029. I mean Dudon102916, that's mine. And Nate1029. Also, here, my plant. Woohoo! This is Mongo, only from the Philippines. So, come on, man! This is long video, okay? Make sure to enjoy and watch the end. And like and subscribe! Okay, what you have now?
That's my stones right here. Ready, guys? This is our smashing stones. Oh no, boy!
I know. Also, this is our friend. Two. Okay, brother, that's enough crushing. That's enough destructing. See you later, and join me and visit my channel. Bye bye, Crashing Crews. We go clean up the mess that we got. Jeez. Also, we're from Philippines. Watch our channel, okay? Like and subscribe. Also, this is Bamboo from Grow Guiding. I never played Grow Garden in weeks. So, bye! I think,
Let's get the stone.
what are you doing with the stone? Don't crack it open. Okay.
We just need a little bit.
No!
That's enough.
Crack! There's cracks. Bro, what have you done? What's inside of this?
I don't know. Maybe the.
And bye-bye. I almost forgot. Bye, Crashing Crews again. Bye.